Hi friends. We have another activity here and we are going to sort through our animals that we found around our house, and we're going to decide if they're farm animals or if they're not farm animals. So if they're farm animals, we're going to stick them over here with our tractor and our farmer, and if they're not, we're going to put them over there. Cool? Okay. Alright, you want to pick first? We'll go back and forth. What is that?
Cow.
Show your friends. It's a cow. What's a cow say?
Moo.
Where does that cow go? Does he go on the farm? Alright, I'm going to pick dinosaur. Does a dinosaur go on the farm? No. Bye, dinosaur. Your turn. Another dinosaur. Does he live at the farm?
No.
Nope.
Can I go put him in the bag?
You can when we're done. Alright, my turn. Got a sheep here. Yes, the sheep
And it
does.
goes in there.
Your turn.
Duck.
Can a dog live on a farm? My turn. Let's see. Ooh. I guess the cat wants me to pick her. Kitty cat. Can a kitty cat live on the farm? Yeah, I think so. Your turn.
Can a bunny rabbit live on the farm?
What do you think?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, a doctor. Does a doctor live on a farm?
No.
No.
Does a monkey live on the farm?
Does it? Nope. Nope. Bye, monkey. Okay, my turn. What's this?
A duck.
Does a duck live on the farm? Yeah. Your turn.
A horse.
Does a horse live on a farm?
Yay.
Okay, my turn. Whoa, what is this?
That is
What is that?
a unicorn ball.
Does a unicorn live on a farm?
Mm-mm.
No.
Look at her.
Bye, unicorn.
Pig. Oink oink.
On the farm?
Yep.
All right. Okay, my turn. Ooh, what's this?
A peacock lives on the farm.
I guess a peacock could be on the farm.
Yep, peacocks live on the farm.
We have peacocks that live in our neighborhood.
Yeah, peacock on there too.
We don't usually see them at the farm, but I guess they could live there. We'll put Mr. Peacock right there. How's that? Your turn.
Cheetah.
A cheetah? Does a cheetah live on a farm?
Sometimes
I don't think so.
they visit the farm.
They could visit the farm. Well, maybe you could put it with the peacock then. All right. Well, I see another one that would visit the farm. What's that?
Doctor.
What kind of doctor?
A pet doctor.
A pet doctor. A veterinarian. Who do you know that's a veterinarian?
Kinley's mom.
Kinley's mom?
Yeah.
Who else?
Papa.
Papa's a veterinarian. So the veterinarian might come visit the farm, but does she live there? No. So
Maybe let's put her over
she
there.
can hang out here with our friends that are gonna visit the farm. Okay, your turn.
Does a giraffe live at the farm?
No.
What noise does a giraffe make?
What noise does a giraffe make?
I don't remember. They do make noises.
What noise does a giraffe make?
What noise does a giraffe make?
Put them over
Why are
there.
you not telling us?
All right, I found another girl. She is a zookeeper. Does a zookeeper live at the farm?
Well, they visit it.
No. Your turn.
Lizard.
Thanks,
Does a
Eliza.
lizard live at the farm? Look at my
Oh my goodness.
tail.
I think a lizard could be at the farm. Yeah.
Yeah, but they visit the farm, so let's put it right here.
Okay, I found another bunny rabbit. That looks like a real bunny. He lives at the farm. Your turn.
Does bunnies live at the farm?
Yes, your turn.
Does this live at the farm?
No. Okay, I found a little tiny camel. Camels do not live at the farm.
Elephant. Does elephants live at the farm?
What do you think?
It is happen.
No.
Yes, they do.
Okay. Kitty cat, little tiny kitty cat. She can be at the farm. She's gonna hang out right there.
Oh wait. Cow. I love cow. Does cows live at the farm? Moo.
I think they do. It's a little baby cow.
Maybe let's put it right between.
Okay, and here's a hippopotamus. A hippo. I don't think hippos live at the farm.
Alright.
Right, there's one more in there.
Nice one. Does these live at the farm?
What do you think?
Yes. Where's her mama?
In the back of the tractor.
No. Is this maybe that can be his dad because he doesn't have a mommy.
All right. Well, that was a fun time sorting our animals and finding out whether they live at the farm or not.
Hey, Mommy, this is the mommy and this is the
Cool.
dad.
You want to press the farmer down?
Yep.